We hope you enjoyed the movie. Ay, wait, about to watch, right? You're about to watch.
Sino po ang sino ang first time who will first time po yung mga first time? Sino yung more than one time na nanonood?
Catherine Bernardo at Alden Richards super thankful at grateful sa kanilang mga fans na patuloy na sumusuporta sa kanilang pelikulang Hello Love Again na isa na ngayong highest-grossing Filipino film movie of all time matapos nitong kumita ng 930 million in just 10 days. Ngayong araw November 23 matapos tumanggap ng parangal ni Catherine Bernardo sa 10th Asian Film Festival ay dumalo naman ngayon sila ni Alden Richards sa meet and greet nila sa kanilang mga fans sa US kasabay nito ang special screening doon ng kanilang pelikulang Hello Love Again. Sa naging interview kina Kath and Alden ay sinabi nila na sobrang thankful at grateful umano sila sa suporta at pagmamahal na patuloy na natatanggap nila mula sa kanilang mga fans. Ayon pa kay Catherine Bernardo ay talagang napakasaya ng kanyang puso dahil halos araw-araw umano ay nakakatanggap sila ng good news at good feedback mula sa kanilang pelikulang Hello Love Again. Narito panuorin ang ginanap na meet and greet nina Alden Richards at Catherine Bernardo kung saan kinilig ang mga fans nila sa US.
Pinagaan niya yung buhay namin lahat sa Canada.
Ako siguro, aside from Joros, si Martha rin. I mean, dun po sa hindi po nakakanood, without giving much spoilers po para sa inyo, you will understand why siya yung naging favorite character ko because of what she's about to do dito sa pelikula. So stay, dyan lang kayo, sit back and relax and watch how Martha changes things.
What was it like na medyo, you know, you found out early this year, biglang magkakaroon pala ng sequel after 5 years? Tagal lang hinintay nila? Tagal lang hinintay ninyo? Were you expecting it that it was finally gonna happen? And what was the process like na, you know, you found out the news na tuloy-tuloy na yung sequel this year?
We teach like what we've answered kanina po. Everything happened so fast, parang we didn't really expect that. Yun parang nagugulat kami na ang bilis ng mga pangyayari and right now we're here in the US po promoting the film for Hello Love Again, parang from the filming to the promo, tapos even we learned about Hello Love Again first quarter po of 2024, but we didn't really expect that everything will turn out smoothly and flawlessly, and with everything that has been happening now with the film, parang sobra-sobra yung blessings na dumadating. So maraming salamat po talaga. Wala po kaming masabi kundi pa sa salamat because our hearts are full of gratefulness and joy because of you guys. Thank you po.
Joy and the hope.
Last message. For those who haven't seen it, what do you want them to experience, to look out for as they watch the sequel that they waited for 5 years?
Yes, this is it. Lahat ng mga tanong nyo masasagot na in a few minutes. Again, our apologies for the delay. Thank you po sa lahat ng patience and sa lahat ng nag-intay. We hope you enjoyed the movie. Sana lahat kayo nanood ulit ng Hello Love Goodbye para fresh na fresh.
Yes.
Or maybe after this, diba, you can watch it naman on Netflix. But more than anything, sana lahat kayo after movie na to, sana you'll be able to find your homes. And sana this movie will give you hope. So, thank you once again for your support sa lahat ng first time manonood. Enjoy. Sa lahat ng mga umulit na, huwag niyo i-chika kung ano yung mangyayari.
Quiet na lang po.
And also, this is our last day in LA. So, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nag-welcome since we arrived a few days ago. Then we're going to Canada next. So, just pray for us na sana magtuloy-tuloy to. And again, this success parte kayo nun. So, thank you so much sa lahat na nandito.
Alright. Big round of applause for our stars. Kath and Alden. They are ready. Are you excited, Slang? Yes! Alrighty, here we go. Let's bring him in. Please welcome Catherine Bernardo and Alden Richards.
Hello po, magandang gabi po sa ating mga kababayan dito sa Carson. How are you guys doing?
That's how they're doing.
Hello, good evening! Good evening po sa inyong lahat. We hope you enjoyed the movie. Ay, wait, about to watch, right? You're about to watch.
Sino po sino ang first time who will... First time po, may mga first time? Sino yung more than one time na nanonood? Dami na po.
Madami nag-homework. I asked them if they watched the first one. They did. May nag-homework. Nanood ulit. Just a few days ago para mag-homework. Okay, guys. Palakpakan po natin ang ating cast, ating stars. First of all, ito fresh na fresh. Hindi ko pa kinakita since this news came out. Did you know? Box office record. Yes. The biggest Filipino film ever! Ever! We have hit...
I took a picture with her. I was just like so close to her, I actually got it. Chulo!
Okay. Alright. Alright. Eyes on the camera. I love you too! Okay, go. I love you too! 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you.
Maya si Lisa.
Thank you. Sir. Ma'am, wag na. Wag ka mong sumingit dyan. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. What? Pretty. Thank you, guys. Somebody forgot their bag. Somebody forgot themselves.
Yes,
What's the
for
bag?
sure.
Somebody left the bag. Okay. Okay, next group po. I'm the father. Charis. Chok lang. Ha? Okay. Eyes to the camera. Okay, there are 2 more girls. Oh, are you joining, girls? Go! Come in. I know, they're not decided yet. You decide by 10 o'clock. O, go. 3, 2, 1, and... Oh, sumama din pala sila. Okay. Thank you.